Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we will be going over how to jumpstart the iForce Max. So this is the hybrid one. It does not have the battery here. The battery is actually under the back passenger seat, but we'll kind of jump into how to jumpstart it. Like if your battery is completely dead, it's not set up the way that the gas ones are. The battery's not up here, it's under the back seat, but to jump it you actually use something that's up here. Kind of confusing, kind of not. But today we'll kind of walk through what you need to do in order to successfully jumpstart the 2024 Toyota Tacoma Hybrid. That's the one with the iForce Max engine. So let's just take a quick look under the hood to see what we're actually dealing with. The difference between the hybrid and the gas model. So with jump starting your car, typically what you will do with any gas model car, your battery would be right here and you'd connect to it that way and then jump it off. But with this, the hybrid model, it's a little bit different. So if you look, there's actually not like a regular battery. There's not a regular battery up here. So you're like, okay, maybe I attach to this. No, you do not attach to that. You do not do anything with that. That is the full electric motor. There's nothing at all that you're supposed to do with that. Where you actually jump it is actually right in here, right in this where it says relay fuse. But just for those of you who are wondering, the actual battery is underneath this seat. So like the regular battery that you'd have in the car. Obviously this also has the hybrid battery, but to get to like if you have to change your regular battery, it is underneath this seat, either on driver's side or passenger side. I don't remember off the top of my head, but that is actually where the seat is, where the battery is located. So if you do need to change that battery, it's not under the hood. So that means if you go to AutoZone or Advanced Auto Parts, they will not change it for free. So that's just a heads up. AutoZone and Advanced Auto Parts will not change your battery for free if it's not under the hood. And in the 2024 Toyota Tacoma Hybrid, any of the hybrid models, it's not under the hood. So that is something you would either have to change yourself, watch a YouTube video on how to do it, or take it to an actual shop. So let's actually open up this relay box and see what we're working with in here. Okay, the first thing you need to do, so there's a tab here and a tab here. You just push that in and lift up and it opens this up. So you can just take that off. And now you are looking at this relay box. So you may be looking at like, okay, so where do I attach the wires? So what you'll do, so looking with the fuse box lid off, this is what you're looking at. You're looking at a bunch of different fuses. That's kind of what it looks like. It's just a bunch of fuses. Well, if you look over here, you're like, okay, maybe this is it because there's some wires connected there. Now, most people won't have these wires. These are for my aftermarket fog lights. But to jump start it, you'll see this. If you look close, there's like a little plus arrow on it. You actually lift this up and then you'll take jumper cables and then you'll connect it like that. Like I'll show you. So you'll just take your pair of jumper cables and then you'll just clip it. Make sure I don't have the black end touching anything metal. And then you'll just clip it on right there. So that's what it'll look like. And that's where you connect the red end. And then whenever you're done, you can always just close that lid. The black one, so there's not necessarily a ground to connect it. So anything with like a bolt should work. So just kind of like looking nearby, that bolt right there would be perfect. Okay, so once you get them connected, and one thing to note, you want to do red first, then black. So once you've got your jumper cables connected in the truck, The next thing you want to do is connect them to the other vehicle that you're using to jump your Tacoma, and then turn that vehicle on and let it run for a couple minutes while it's connected. Once it's been a couple minutes, you'll then go into your Tacoma, put your foot on the brake, and attempt to start it. And it should start up. And then once that's started, you should be good to go ahead and take off the cables for both the vehicles. Because this is a hybrid, it might just, the ready light that shows up, it may not actually turn the engine itself on, which is fine. Obviously with like other cars, that's kind of a way to know, hey, it started. But as long as that ready light shows ready, the electric engine's running, which means that it's got enough power. So that is good. That's all you need to do. Take the cables off, put the fuse box cover back on, and then drop the hood, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, that's all I got for you today. As always, thanks for joining, and I hope you have an awesome day.